Clogged toilets are no fun. The good news is a clogged toilet doesn't always mean a call to the plumber. I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Let me show you how you might be able to unclog a toilet yourself. A clog means that the water can't go down the drain freely. So we want to locate the shutoff valve that supplies water to the toilet. We're going to turn that off so we don't add more water to the problem. Next, choose your weapon. Now the cup-style plunger is for sink clogs, not toilets. What you want is a flange-style plunger. Now the flange is going to create an airtight seal with the hole at the bottom of the toilet. Now, if there's too much water in the toilet and it's going to splash and slosh, you want to bail a little bit out. Here we go. Tip the plunger so that the cup fills with water. Position it vertically over the drain, and then gently push down and then pull up fast. That should clear most clogs. That's what we're looking for. Well, hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.